Hi everyone, I'm Whitney and this video is part of my sampler sew along series. It is a block of the month style series that I was doing where I share 12 different quilt blocks so you can make a sampler style quilt from start to finish. This is actually the last block of the series, and if you missed any of the other 11 videos up to this point, you can find the playlist where they are all linked down below in the video description box. Just hit the show more button, or if you're on a phone or tablet, it may look like a little down arrow that you need to click, and the link will be down there. And while you're down there getting that link, make sure that you subscribe to my channel as well. Today's block is the log cabin quilt block. The pattern was originally published in 1932, and this is a very special quilt block to me personally because it is the first quilt block that I ever learned about when I was a young teenager. My mom was making a log cabin style quilt, and it was my first real introduction to quilting. To make your log cabin quilt block, you can select anywhere from 3 to 5 fabrics. You will need a center square that measures 3.5 by 3.5 inches. This is traditionally a red square because it is said to represent either the heart of the home, or some people say that it represents the brick chimney that would be on a log cabin. You also need a couple of 2-inch wide strips in your light fabric that you're using, as well as a couple of strips in either one darker fabric or in 3 different darker fabrics. Start with the square and lay one of the dark strips along the top. Match them up right sides together and sew with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. You'll notice I'm using a very long strip of fabric here. That's because I'm going to trim it up later as we go. Flip the piece open and give it a quick press with an iron. Then use a ruler and rotary cutter to trim the edges of the strip to match the square it was sewn to. You can find all the supplies I'm using in this video in the Amazon link in the video description box. Add your next strip of the same fabric on the side and lay it right sides together with the larger piece and sew. Open and press the seam. Trim the edges of the new strip to match the rest. Now it's time to add the white fabric following the same pattern. Place it right sides together on the bottom side, matching up the edges, and sew with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Press it open and trim. Each piece is sewn on following a clockwise pattern with 2 dark and then 2 white, 2 dark, 2 white, and so on until there are 3 rows of strips all the way around. I chose to use the same fabric for all of my dark pieces because I wanted more of that fabric in my quilt, but feel free to use 3 different coordinating fabrics instead, as shown in the graphic at the beginning of the video. Once all the pieces are sewn on, the block should measure 12.5 by 12.5 inches, and it will be 12 inches when sewn into the finished quilt. Make sure to take a picture of your block and share it with the hashtag sampler sew along so that we can all see it. And again, if you needed that playlist for all the other blocks in the series, I'll have it linked right over here to the side. And if you like log cabin blocks in particular, like I do, I will have a playlist of log cabin projects linked right down here. And until next time, happy sewing!